So welcome to the vlog. In this video, I'm going to be exploring more of San Diego, and I just found this function. Apparently, Google gives you that stop function to add destination stops. Now, if you guys can figure out how to do more than 2 stops, let me know in the comments below. I've been trying to add more. Let me show you what I'm talking about. In Google Maps, I typically will just find a cool spot or a trail. I'm on my TCX on this trip, so I want to do a little off-roading. So I was able to add a destination, and then basically I tapped on the screen and was able to add a second destination point to basically almost create a full route without actually having to set it up. So ideally, this will take me on that journey through my headphones while I'm riding, so I kind of have turn-by-turn live. Now, I wasn't able to add more points to basically finish the loop, but at least I can get there, and so hopefully I'll have signal out there so I can update it and get me home, ideally a different route, because I like to make a loop, not just double back if I can help it. Time to go exploring. Well, that was a buzzkill. So apparently that trail that I found is not supposed to be biked on, and I couldn't even try to go on it because the park ranger was literally right there putting up a new sign. So I'm gonna take the road to this other little place that hopefully I can ride on. Plus that trail looked crazy, like hiking only. So let's hope for number 2 spot that it pans out. Well, this looks more manageable, and there was no biking sign, so let's see what we see. All right, well, that was a successful second little section. Real short. Basically, I'm fighting the light. I did bring lights with me today, but I like to, basically I can't film anymore when it gets super dark out anyway. So I'm gonna finish this trail. The street ends up right over there, and then gonna buzz back. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on so you can see all my vlogs, all my product reviews, and everything else in between that I post on this channel. And thanks for watching another episode of Locked In.